Hello, my name is Helen Eaglin, and this is my quiz for EDCI 270 for my Leadership Development IM course project. And this quiz is over Indiana FFA and some things that it goes into, like such as LDEs, CDEs, membership, and other sorts of things. And I believe that this is an important topic for my kids to learn because FFA really is a club that really focuses on leadership development and confidence boosting. And I use this Kahoot assessment tool because, one, I can be really creative with it. I aimed my IM towards middle school students, and so I believe these photos are really going to help them learn and improve in a fun way and to show my creativity. So if I press play here, it takes me to like the screen, and this is how my students can sign up for it. It's really cool, I think, and really easy to put together, and you can have a lot of people join, like hundreds. And so I use Kahoot because it is easy, simple, and easy to show my own creativity. And I hope to keep utilizing these different types of online assessment tools in my future for this project and also just as a teacher. Thank you.